As you approach this incredible house, you're greeted by an automatic opening gate onto a long driveway that draws you up to the 2-car garage and the 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house. Hello and welcome to 20733 Santa Cruz Highway here in the Los Gatos Mountains. Here at this incredible property, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a 2-car detached garage on a total of 2.86 usable acres nestled in the Los Gatos Hills. Let's come take a look. This house was built in 1978, but you couldn't tell. It's been meticulously remodeled in every feature of the house. Here in the ground level, you have an awesome open floor plan. You can be cooking here while your guests are sitting in the living room, or maybe enjoying the dining room. Here in the beautifully updated kitchen, we have uplighting, downlighting, new shaker cabinets in natural wood with new hardware, updated stainless steel appliances, and a great big breakfast bar for any meal of the day. As you walk up this dramatic contemporary staircase, you enter the 2nd floor, which features Acacia hardwood, and downstairs you have cherry hardwood. Here in the master bedroom, we've got access to this deck that overlooks your great patio entertaining space. Then you've got these dramatic high ceilings and an ensuite bathroom that everybody can enjoy. Here in the ensuite bathroom, we have this full porcelain freestanding soaking tub. Imagine sitting here enjoying the mid-forest view after a hard day's work. It's a great place to relax. In between the 2 guest bedrooms upstairs, we have a Jack and Jill bathroom, which features doors on each side, and this great steam shower with bench seating. Check out this incredible stamped concrete patio. This is just one of the outdoor spaces with this incredible wraparound deck that goes around the entire house. Could you imagine the entertaining possibilities here? What could you do in this meadow? You've got a nice usable space, maybe for a garage, a workshop, an orchard as they have it now. It's an incredible spot. Not only do you have that great meadow space with lots of sun, but you've got this mixed woods forested area as well, and a path all the way down to a seasonal creek. Using this great path that takes you down to the seasonal creek, during the rainy season, you're going to hear a great sound from that creek from the back deck of the house. Thank you for coming on this tour of 20733 Santa Cruz Highway with me, Pistol Pete with Room Real Estate. For more information, give me a call, 831-471-7330. And please check out our website where we have a full 3D tour that's virtual reality enabled with a floor plan that's interactive and incredible photos.